This is Dave, and today we're going to work on our kitchen chair leg. Here, the chair is actually a little too high to sit comfortably, so we're going to cut it off. So what we want to do is we want to use our circular saw to cut all the legs evenly the same height. So what we're going to start out doing is we're going to measure how high we want to cut it off. And we've already determined we want to cut it off right at this line here, which is 2.5 inches. So then we're going to take this, measure the saw. You want to do this when it's unplugged, and if it's battery powered, the battery's removed. Measure from the outside edge to the saw blade, which is 1 inch. So then we want the inch plus the 2.5, so we need a straight edge clamped on here at 3.5 inches so we can cut a nice, all the legs evenly. I made a jig that's set up that this is where the chair leg will set. And I can clamp this straight edge. It's already set at the 3.5 inches so that when I put my saw against it, it'll cut all the legs nice and evenly.
How did you make this?
So basically this is just some scrap wood, just a piece of wood at the bottom, and for the legs to set on, and then just some legs sticking up. And then I measure from here to here and put this ruler at the 3.5 inches that we had measured previously. Having it on the floor is easier to work with, so we can make sure it's down and it's pressed against the leg. And then we're going to take our clamp and just tighten it up on the leg to make sure things don't move.
But looks like there is a gap. Oh, it's not.
And yeah, there's a little plastic foot there to make it slide on the ground. So now that it's clamped, we can cut it with the saw. Now that we've got it all clamped in place, now we're ready to cut with the saw.
How do you set it on the...
So you want to set the saw just so the side of the saw is against that metal, and then as you cut, you just keep it against there, and it'll cut a straight line on the bottom of the foot.
So how...
You just,
What is that 1 inch thing you talk about for them?
that's the distance from the blade to the outside edge here, so that this, I can have this ruler at the saw against that. There's an inch from here to where it actually cuts.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will take and cut it. Now the black blade is done, I can cut the front leg. The circular saw blade isn't deep enough, doesn't cut deep enough. There's just a little bit of wood still on the bottom. So I'm going to take a handsaw and just trim off the little bit that's left. Cut a little bit, and then cut it off. So now we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we can cut it. So the next thing we're going to do is sand a little bit. We're going to sand the edges to make sure they're not rough and any spot that's not really flat. So on the bottom of every chair leg, there's these little plastic sliders that make it slide on the floor easily. These are just a nail, held in by a nail. So we're going to pry them all off. You can see it's just a nail. We're just going to take them and we're going to pound them back into the bottom of the chair legs. There. Now that we've got all the feet in, we can flip it over. Test it out. It's a nice height. It doesn't wobble. They're all cut nice and straight. It'll be great. Thank you for watching.